Study Design Tech tutorial. Right. So in this video, right, we're going to look into how to get 2D projection drawing out, and also how to set up the layout, and also how to do a little bit dimension measuring. Right. So this is the previous model that I've just dropped out. Right. What you can do now, okay, is to select the entire model. Right. But best is if you want to keep all the line, okay, it's the same color. I would suggest you to assign them into one layer that has the black color. Okay, let's activate the property panel, and then we're going to assign all these things into layer 5. Okay, by right this is white color, but we can change color from here. The square button, just click on it, go to black, and that's it. So now the object assigned into a black color. We're going to select the object first. Okay, we select the object, and then we go to dimension. Look for this option called Make 2D Drawing. So once here, you'll notice that the wheel right now doesn't have the isometric view for you to choose. Okay, and for professional orthogonal projection drawing, right, the product should appear in isometric view. So before we can actually export into a 2D technical drawing, we're going to set the wheel. Okay, we're going to go to the two-finger tap on the name of the perspective, looking for the wheel, and look for isometric, and then we're going to set it into, for example, like northeast. No, the other way, not northeast. So set wheel, isometric, northeast not working, southeast must be working. Okay, again, this is not the most ideal one. Let's try out a few more options here. Northwest, no. Last one, southwest. There you go. Right, so this is the perfect angle that we want to export the product. So let's choose this one. Go to dimension, make 2D drawing, and then make sure that you choose third angle projection. All right, if you want to show the hidden line, all right, go ahead. If not, you can just uncheck it. Okay, and once done, just hit apply. And you can see here the app is start generating the technical drawing for you. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Right, when it's done, you may want to set the wheel back to perspective, and then double click here and activate the top view, and you can see here all the drawings are out. Okay, all the drawings are out. All right, we have the side view, we have the front view. In this case, this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. All right, but you have the product drawing here. So what you want to do right now, and I'm going to show you, right, I will pull it a little bit away. To give more space for the dimension. All right, once I'm satisfied with the dimension, all right, I mean the spacing, okay, I will choose all of this together. All right, I will click on the layout. Okay, layout. So I would recommend you to use A3 size, choose landscape, right, in millimeter. You can name this thing as table length. Okay, table length maybe 0.1, and you hit apply. And this will get you into this particular display layout. So right now you may find it a little bit messy because I haven't adjusted the display ratio. Let's double click on it. So just to take note, you have to activate the property panel, the property layout panel, all right, by two-finger tap on it. Okay, so normally you will see there's a lot of options here. Okay, if you want to activate the property panel, just click on it and then choose to show property panel. And once you are in this windows, right, double click on the empty space, right, you can now move the object around, right, but you can also access to the display scale ratio here. Okay, you may just change it into like 1:3. Does it work? Okay, I think 1:3 works quite well. And then I'm not going to zoom in or out, right? Instead, I will just move their position into a more presentable position that I want, right? If I am satisfied with this one, okay, you can see here the model is still here. I can actually move the model, or if not, I will move all the drawing away. All right, let's move all the drawing away. A little bit more space. All right, but add some at the middle if I want. And when it's done, all right, double check one more time. Okay, display ratio, okay, 1:3. Let's just double click to fix it. Okay, so that's the difference. If you don't double click to fix it and turn it into a light gray color, and when it's in a medium gray color, what happens when you zoom in is, you see, when I zoom in, the display ratio here, the scale will change. Okay, the scale will change. So this is something that you don't want to happen. Right. Therefore, I will make sure that okay, my drawing is at the nice position. Right. I double click to lock it. So once I lock it, when I zoom in, okay, the object will not change the display scale. All right. Okay, and this is one thing. Second thing, all right, you may want to look at the export detail, export option here. So you can look for the print width. Okay, you can drag this thing to be larger. All right, and if you look at the print width, the print width, right? You can always choose the visible, which is the most like the outline, right? These two you can use slightly thinner print width, but the visible one, all right, we will always go with a little bit thicker, maybe 0.3, and then curve and tangent you can choose about 0.18 and 0.18. Maybe we just choose this to 0.35 to make it more obvious when you export into PDF. So always remember to change the print width. All right, print width is important. Otherwise, your technical drawing will be too the line will be too fine and you cannot see the detail. Okay, you can't see the picture. Okay, and also there's some sort of a line option that you can choose. Right, for example, right now if I want to check like I want to get the curve to be other type of line, so I can actually change to like let's say we change to dash line. Okay, when you change to dash line, you set all the curves become dash line. Okay, they change automatically. All the edges with all the outline with all the curved edges will change accordingly. But of course, that's not what I want, so I go back to continuous. Okay, and when this thing's done, all right, I can just close it. Okay, so next look at the dimension. The dimension here is very straightforward. All right, almost same as Fusion 360. You have the linear, you have the align, you have the rotated dimension, you have the ordinate direction, you have radial, you have the diameter, you have angle. Right. So for all these things, right, what you need to do right now is, for example, you're going to try linear direction. Okay, linear like the bottom of the base. Hit here and drag it up. Okay, you may notice that the dimension now appear in red color. That's because I choose the red layer. Okay, if you don't like it, you can just delete this one and choose the default black color layer here. Okay, and we go with the dimension one more time. Just click here, and then drag it up. Okay, so that's how you put the dimension. Okay, that's linear. Align, of course, right? You can align with the particular angle. For example, if I want to know that the length of this bendable arm, right? I'll just align here, and then move out. Okay, this align. And the third one that we use most of the time, right, is radial. Radial, it can be like found that the radius of it, like right now I don't know what is the radius of here. Just click it's 10. Okay, so these are the three main measuring tools that you need to use for the technical drawing. All right, they are all under the dimension here. Okay, they are all under the dimension here. And when it's ready to print out, all right, you just need to go to File and then go to Print. Okay, so once you click File and go to Print, this will ask you that what printer that you want to send out. All right, and you can just choose the default setting and how many copy. All right, choose the paper size to be A3 landscape. Right, and when you want to print out, choose printer output to be vector. Output color will be the print color. Okay, or you can choose display color if you want. If it come with the color, right? And then must change. Must make sure that this is scale to fit. Okay, scale to fit. Okay, scale. Wait. No. Not scale to fit. 1:1. Sorry, 1:1. Okay, and make sure that everything is 100%, and then you can just hit print. Okay, hit print. All right. Or if not, there's always option that called save as PDF. Okay, you can save as PDF. Alright, so that's for technical drawing part. Alright, thanks for watching. The next video, we will showcase on more different tools that how you can duplicate object more effectively, efficiency, or how you can create an organic surface. Alright, and see you on next video.